Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Music. To begin your musical journey, first download the Amazon Music app on your device or simply visit the website. Once installed, sign in using your existing Amazon account details. You'll then discover various subscription options, including Amazon Music Free, Prime Music, and Amazon Music Unlimited. Prime Music, for instance, offers over 2 million songs, while Unlimited provides access to more than 100 million tracks in high-definition audio. Choose the tier that best suits your listening preferences. Navigating Amazon Music is intuitive and designed for easy discovery. You can explore new music through personalized recommendations tailored to your tastes, browse expertly curated playlists for any mood, or tune into various radio stations. Use the prominent search bar to quickly find specific songs, your favorite artists, entire albums, or engaging podcasts. Don't forget to create and manage your own custom playlists. You can add up to 2,500 songs to each one, making your perfect soundtrack. One of the most convenient features of Amazon Music is the ability to download your favorite content for offline listening. This means you can enjoy songs, albums, and even entire playlists without an internet connection, perfect for travel or areas with poor signal. Simply select the download option for your desired tracks. All your downloaded music is easily accessible from the library section within the app. Remember to manage your storage space by deleting content you no longer need. Amazon Music offers several advanced features to enhance your listening experience. You can customize your audio quality settings, choosing between standard, HD, and Ultra HD options for superior sound. For hands-free control, simply use Alexa voice commands to play music, skip tracks, or adjust volume. Beyond just music, explore a vast selection of podcasts, live streams, and exclusive content, including artist interviews and original shows, all within the platform. Dive in and discover more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.